Good morning, children. So today we are going to just have this question, which is actually based on a spiral form. So just fill the matrix in the spiral form. So suppose the size of the matrix is 5 by 5, then how to fill that? The filling will be like this. So first 5 elements like this, then 6 will come here, 7, 8 and 9, and here these elements will be like this, and then here it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then here it is 17, 18 and 19, and after that 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and finally 25. So what you have to do, children, you have to fill the matrix in this form. So here the filling will start from this corner and it will go like this. After completing the first row, it will go down and then filling this way, and here after that this is in a spiral shape, and here now it terminates. So this is how you have to fill. So start attempting this question. All of you, please try this. So please, yes, try that. I hope you people have understood the question, and if not, then please tell. Class 11th. But any problem with this question? So please try this. So once again I am repeating that if you attempt any question which is based on matrix, then first of all just on a paper just plot the index numbers of each and every element and then try to form the logic. And if your approach is such, definitely half of the problem is done. The matrix must be a square matrix. It can be a 6 by 6 matrix. It can be 7 by 7. Any, any matrix. So please try, all of you. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. अरे जब क्लास कर लिया करें हो रही हो तो मत पूछो वहां आके कुछ. वहां पे जाती है आवाज, काढ़ा पियोगे या पियोगे? सो गया ये. Yes, anybody? Uh, Ayush Shukla has joined or not? Ayush Shukla? Ayush Shukla has joined or not? No. Yes, anybody was done? Ayushi Vats, are you there? Ayushi Vats? Ayushi Vats? Okay. So Ayushi is not responding, not even in the chat box. Kushagra Agrawal, are you there? Okay, Kushagra, so today you just try after the class how to connect your mobile phone as a webcam, because from the next class I will not allow. And if you have problems in using that, then inform me. So once if you have shown your face, if you have shown that you are in a school uniform, you can switch off your video. Okay, Ayushi was, but last time I am calling you. Ayushi, are you there, Ayushi? Yasir Sheikh, are you there? But why you are not attending the remedial classes? Okay, every time. Yes, the day before yesterday also I took the remedial. Yes. No, no. Before that also you missed the class, and the reason was same. Since Ayushi was is not responding, I am removing her from the class. Okay, now all of you please see on the screen here the same question of a spiral we are going to do. So first of all, here we need to just define the matrix like this, and this is the size of the matrix. And I told you that the matrix is a square matrix, so this will be the size. And here after that, this constructor is, so this dot n is equals to n, and the matrix is initialized. Now children, here there is another function that is fill. Display we have already defined here, and in the display just now I'm just filling the index numbers, showing the index numbers. Sorry, better to just write that part, and here it is not needed. Okay, so I just want to show you the index numbers, So here what to do is first of all just define scanner class. Enter size of the matrix. So that is this n. Passing this and this obj.display. In this display, no need to pass any variable because any parameter because it is a instance variable. Now children, if you are able to plot the index numbers, definitely your problem becomes non-static variable cannot be referenced where it is. Okay, it cannot be. So children, whenever you want to use the instance variable, make sure the function which you have declared are non-static functions. So if you just pass this value n, which is suppose 5 here, you can see the index numbers here. And now in the question, it is very much clear that you have to start from this corner. You have to move like this. And then you have to go down. And then you have to move left. And then you have to go up. And after completing this circle, one spiral, one circle you have completed. So whenever you want to fill the elements in a matrix like this, what you have to do, this is the function of filling the matrix in a spiral form. You have taken a variable c, which is initially 1. So the outer loop will be exactly like this. 5 by 5 matrix, so here it will be 0, 4 initially, and I have taken a multiple variable loop here, and this will go till it is I plus plus and j minus minus. So please see how values are coming in this. So actually the values are coming like this. If I call this function here obj.fill, you can see that it's a 5 by 5 matrix. Now you can see that the values are coming like this. It is initially 0, 4. Initially it is 0, 4 and 1, 3. So why these two values we need? Just because when the value is 0, 4, we will complete one circle, and the values when the value is 1, 3, we will complete another circle, and after that no circle is left, only one single element is left. So that element we can fill manually. Just try to give any other value. Suppose I'm just giving you the value 6 here. Now you can see that at present there are 3 rings which are possible. One of the ring is this outer one, second ring is this one, and the third ring is this one. So there are 3 rings and no any other element is left. So in even cases, when the size of the matrix is even, there will be no center element in the matrix. But if the size of the matrix is odd, there will be a center element which is left. So if anybody is having doubt in why these index numbers are needed like 0, 5, 1, 4 and 2, 3, so please tell. Actually, Here if we focus at this corner, the maximum value is 0, 5 here, and from we can complete this diagonal. So if we are able to move across the matrix using the diagonal, we can go anywhere in the matrix. So whenever the question is based on a spiral matrix, this outer loop will remain same. And now I am going to tell you how to fill the matrix and what should be your approach. So if it is a 5 by 5 matrix, so what we will do, first of all, we will try to fill the locations, these locations, first 4 elements, and then we will try to fill next 4 elements like this, and after that we will fill these 4 elements, and at end these 4 elements are left. So if we are doing this, one spiral, one ring we will be able to complete. So now I am going to write the code where just wait. Okay. So here I am just going to write the code. Now what you have to think, what you have to see here, children, one thing is, when we want to fill these elements, which value, which index number is constant, whether it is row index or column index, please tell. Row index is constant, and which index number is changing? Column index. Now the index number which is changing, we have to focus on that, and here column index is changing. So what you have to do, you have to start a loop k, and that k's initial value will be I. Why I? Because you can see that the column index is changing, this column index is changing, and this column index starts from 0. That's, and how to get that 0? 0 you can get with the help of variable I. And how long you have to move for filling the first 4 elements? Here the condition will be till k is less than j, because at present the value of j is 4, and the loop will go from 0 to 3 less than j, and here you have to write a of I k is equals to c plus plus. While I am writing I, because I is constant, here you can see the values which are coming like 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2 and 0, 3. So this is how we will be able to fill the matrix. The first row, I am just talking about the first part. So here I would like to show you, when I want to display this here, wait. So children, here I am writing if a of I j is equals to 0, then fill this index, otherwise fill fill what? Here otherwise just fill that a of ij along with this tab space, and this filling will be above this display, because before filling we don't want to display anything. Just check this. So here if the size of the matrix is 5, you can see that these values have come, and for the rest of the values index number is there. And here one more thing we can do is that if one thing, okay, no issues. Now, and after filling this, what we need to do, how the remaining index numbers will come? Class 11 children, please tell. Here, this is a 5 by 5 matrix, and you have seen that these elements we have filled, and now we want to fill these elements. What to do then? Then again you have focus on the index number which is changing, and which is changing from 0 to less than 4 again. And that initial value you can get with the help of I, because I is 0 at present. So here what to do is, here again we need one variable which is, that is k will be I, k is less than j and k plus plus, but here we cannot write ik. Then what we can write? Here we can write, no, we cannot write ki. Here we can write kj, because we need 4, because we need 0 comma 4, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 4, we need 3 comma 4, like that. This is how up to this part we have already filled. And now, so you try that. You try that. I'm just making it simple. Now, for the last selected part, which I have just selected, the next 4 elements, what to do? From where the loop k will start? It will start from j. And how long it will go? Till it is more than I and k minus minus. And here what to write after that? Here we should write a of j of k is equals to c plus plus. This we have done. A of j of k will be c plus plus. And then what to do is, for these elements, what we need to do is, again we have to see that from which index number it starts. So for that, again it starts from index number j, because we need 4 till it is more than I. Then here it is k minus minus, and what to write here is a of k of I will be c plus plus. Why I? Because we need 0. So now one spiral ring we have completed, and if you want to display that, definitely you will see some filling. Here it is 5 by 5 matrix, and you can see, okay, I'm just displaying this. Here I need to display the element. So this is a of ij, a of ij plus this tab space, and here what to do is, this is a 5 by 5 matrix, and now you can see that the first 4 elements, next 4 elements, next 4 elements, and next 4 element we have completed. One ring is complete, and after completing this ring, what happened? After completing that, the value of I will increment and the value of j will decrement. So initially the value was 0 comma 4, but now the value has becomes 1 comma 3. So when it starts from 1 comma 3, another ring we will be able to complete, and that is 17 18, 19 20, 20 21, and this 23 24. Another ring we have completed. Since it is a 5 by 5 matrix, so only two such combinations will come in the form of index number, which was initially 0 comma 4, and then it was 1 comma 3, and after that the loop will terminate. And that's why this center element is left. I told you that in case when the matrix size is odd length matrix, then definitely one element at the center will be left. So for that you have to think later on. But in case if the size is even, you can see that all the elements we have covered. Nothing will be left. If you focus on this one, you can see that the first 5 elements, next 5 elements, another 5 elements like this, and if you cover, one ring is complete. And now in this 3 elements here, 3 elements here, 3 elements here, and these 3 elements here, and after that one element here, one element here, this one element, and this one element. So all the elements we have already filled. I hope you people have understood. Okay, so I hope you people have understood. Yes. Yes, I'm just telling you why I'm using that. I is less than n by 2. Yes, wait. Just run this part. Again, child, again I need to show you the index number. So again I need to just use that index number. So here what to do is, A of ij, no need here, just fill that. I plus that j. Now see that here it is 5 by 5. Now you people can see that initially the value of I is that 0 comma 4. So when it was 0 comma 4, the very first ring we have completed. And when the value became 1 comma 3, the next ring I have completed. The next ring I have completed. I hope you people have understood. So after that definitely it will become 2 comma 2. So there is no purpose ना, जरूरत ही नहीं है ना, उसको तो बाहर fill करेंगे हम. Because when the length of the matrix is even, so every element we are covering. When the length of the matrix is even, then we are covering every other element. Now what we need to do when the length is odd? So here we need to just check if n mod 2 is odd. If it is odd, then here n by 2 will receive that element. हो गया, done. You can see that here we are printing the index number. We need to print the element. So that is A of ij plus 1 tab space. So it is a 5 by 5 matrix. You can see that. This element also we have filled, that is 25. So beta, that's why it is no need to go the loop less than or equals to n by 2 or any. So if even if you write that n less than n, so see what happens. If it is 5 by 5 matrix, you can see that. Then also the same result will come. So, but the thing is, we should just write here up to half so that to make our program more efficient. Yes, any other query, then you can ask. Class 11th. And those who have already connected, I'm just telling you, without, you can join the session with Jaipuria ID only. And whosoever is trying, I will not allow anybody. And every day, I will be happy if I'm marking those children who are not serious absent. Okay. Now, any problem with this code, please tell. I'm just posting this code on GCR. So if you have any doubt, any query, you can ask children. Okay, now one question I'm just giving you, and you have to attempt that question, children. This time, suppose this time we don't want to fill like this, and suppose we want to fill the matrix like this. Suppose here the filling starts from the bottom, which is 1 2 3 4 5, and then we are moving up like 6 and then 7 and then 8 and then here it is 9. I hope you people have understood. Here it is 9 and then 10, 11, 12, 13, and here it is 14, 15 and 16, and then it is moving towards right, which is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then 25. So you can see that the filling of the matrix starts from this corner and then it is moving up, completing the circle, and then it is moving towards right, completing another circle, another spiral, and then it is coming at the center. So this is how what we have to do. Now just plot the index numbers on a paper, and what you need to do is just you need to change the code which is here. You need to just change these 4 loops. Rest of the things in the program will remain same. So again you have to think from where to start, what will be the initial value. So this question is one simple assignment for you, and you all have to submit this assignment today before 9 p.m. Okay, so you have to mail on the same ID. And now if anybody is having any query, you people can ask. Now I am sharing the link of the Google form so that you people can mark your attendance. in the chat box. I'm just sharing the Google Form link, so please mark your attendance. If anybody is having any query, any problem, please tell. Class 11th, Harsh Chauhan, any query? Okay, Priyan, Sushmitha Jain beta, any query? Saksham, Saksham Kalra, Suraj Kumar, Mehul Singh beta, any query? Lavanya, Nilay, Vanisha, Sajal, Palak, Palak, okay beta. Palak, will you please switch on your video? Are you in school uniform? Palak, Palak. Okay, Palak. Thank you, beta. Just switch off. Okay, Sajal, just wait after the class. I want to talk to you. Sajal Chandra. This is only for square matrix. Okay, as you have to complete the spiral. Okay. Actually, the question will be such that WAP to fill the square matrix like this. So you can start from any corner. The question can be that fill this matrix from this corner, rightmost or leftmost upper corner. So the question can be any type. Yasir, you also wait after the class. I want to talk to you. And those who have, yes, those who have Varun Dwivedi, Varun, Varun, are you there? Beta, just switch on your video. Yes, you are not in school uniform. Okay, that's why you are not attending the class. I know earlier you also wait. I want to talk to you. Okay, now children, I hope you have got the concept of this is spiral matrix. How to fill, Lavanya? Okay, welcome, beta. So in any case, if you have any problem, you just you can text me, sir. Please teach this topic again, this question again. I will teach, but the question is very simple if your approach is correct. Otherwise, you will be hanging around the logic and what to do, how to fill. So those who have already filled, they can leave. Thank you.